In this movie, I am going to create a cabinet of the TV wall. Switch back to 4 viewports. Change the lines color back to white. Set the UCS to this wall. Type P and enter. Pick the wall, click inside, and select the viewport. Move to the outside of the room. Here I will draw a rectangle. Its size is 640 by 2350. Now I make the frame of this cabinet. Type O to offset. Offset distance is 20. Select the rectangle and click inside. Draw the middle line of the rectangle. Copy the middle line to both sides. The distance to the original middle line is 10 mm. Delete the middle line. Go to Edit, Trim, and trim all the unnecessary segments. Repeat again. Go to the top and trim. Now I need to set the new boundary for this frame, so I type BO for boundary. Select boundary set. Select area and pick an internal point. OK. Go to Elevation, Decoration, and the wood panel. The board thickness will be 220 mm. Click OK. Select the related lines and pick an internal point. This function is actually similar to extrude. OK. Let's check it in 3D view. OK, our frame is built. Okay, let's build the compartments of this cabinet. First of all, I need to draw a big rectangle to cover the inner parts of the cabinet. Now I will draw some lines here to define the areas of the compartments. Here I need to draw the horizontal middle line of this big rectangle. Go to Edit, Mirror, and choose all the lines above the middle line, and choose the middle line as the mirror. Alright, this is all the lines we need for making the compartments. Type TR to trim, and trim all the unnecessary line segments. Now I need to build a set of new boundaries for each of the compartments. Type BO to set boundary. Select boundary set. Select all the necessary lines and shapes. Select area and pick a point in each of the small rectangles. OK. Now I need to extrude each of these small rectangles. Pick them one by one. Alright, and extrude them by 220 millimeters. Alright, this is our cabinet. Let's move it back to the platform. Select all of them and move by this point. Toggle off the auto mode and move it back to this corner. Alright. Maximize the viewport. And let's merge the cabinet and the platform to VR for further editing. OK. Face to the cabinet. Now I'm going to assign different colors to some of the compartments. And this is actually for clarifying the boundary of each of the compartments. Go to Object and confirm now it is in single selection mode. Go to Object Editing. Switch to Size mode and select some of the compartments. Reduce the X value to 80. Apply. Switch to Move mode. Select these compartments again. Move it backward by 30 millimeters. Apply. Let's go to the back of the cabinet. Pan down a little bit. Go to Object Editing mode. Select Size, and I will enlarge some of the compartments along the X coordinate. Switch to move mode, and I will move the button compartment backward. Alright, let's go back to the front. Pan up a little. I'll darken this compartment's color a little bit and apply this material to all the gray compartments. Okay. And I will also change the frame's color to white.